Hey. Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new episode. Today we are going to install a brand new IKEA desk. We already have one installed, but this time we are going to double up the space and install another one. So we are going to remove all this stuff, get it cleaned and install the brand new desk. So this will be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Okay? Now let's go. So the space is almost empty. I just need to remove this lamp and clean everything and remove everything, and then we're ready to Guys, I have to tell you, this table is heavy. Let the fun begin. I know this is not the way you open the box and unbox it, but it doesn't matter. pleased with the end result. So the project is finally done. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we have enjoyed producing it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, as we produce new videos every week. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye.